Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your iPad mini 4, at the first you have to open the settings. Right now we have to find wallpapers and then click to choose a new wallpaper. You can pick from the stills. So for example, I would like to apply this wallpaper. And as you can see, we can set it on the home screen, on the lock screen. So for sure we are going to set the lock screen. We are going to choose lock screen and take a look right now. We have to wait until it will be finished. Okay, let's lock our device. And as you can see right now, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.